We felt like we only could succeed if we broke out of the norm and did something special.
What is it that defines the power to leave a lasting impression on the world? Is it innovation?
We believed we could start a business that had ideal commissions, had ideal products, and did ideal things with their success.
Nu Skin has a tremendous capacity for creating products that are positioned perfectly to suit both the consumer's interest as well as deliver on the results that they expect to achieve with the product itself.
We are now in a position to take technology, to take ideas, to take amazing products, and to change the world on a scale that we have never, ever done before.
People here in China have used natural medicine for thousands of years, but it wasn't until Pharmanex added their scientific expertise that these materials could be standardized into capsules and tablets.
We've been innovative with our products. We've been innovative with the commissions, marketing plan. We've been innovative with the good we do with the success.
Is it a steadfast belief in one idea, simple in design, yet far-reaching in scope?
I'm really not all that different from anyone else living here in farmland, except that I have this profitable international business. I think that's the point, though, because I am able to do this. I mean, that's why I love being a part of this company.
Nu Skin is focused more on how can we design something that's going to show benefit, and then how can we document that that benefit exists. And these are the things that we have worked with Nu Skin on to help them try to design the trials to document those benefits.
I think that Pharmanex products are among the best one because they have standardized amount of biologically active components, so the people who are using that, they know what they are using.
Is it looking at a real need that exists in the world and finding a better way to solve it?
Jeder weiß, dass es Millionen hungernde Kinder.
Everyone knows there are millions of starving children in the world, right? But do we do anything about it? Well, Nu Skin has made an intriguing initiative out of feeding these kids.
This was an ingenious thing that we didn't dream up. We just came across and loved it. That allowed people to go on making their living and feeding their family and building their business in the process of getting nourishment to kids. It will allow millions of people to participate.
As an immunologist, I've been excited about the effects of reishi on the immune system, but Pharmanex chemists were able to look at that and say, well, perhaps there's a better way that we can extract the active principles out of the reishi. And they were actually able to really make some major advancements and produce an extract that was going to be more potent than other extracts that are available on the market.
I ordered different reishi mushroom from different sources. We published a paper when we compared 6 different sources, and the best one was from Pharmanex. We found it was practically 99% of effectivity if we compared with some other products.
We've addressed a lot of needs, from people who wanted to feel better about themselves or how they look, people who wanted better health, wanted to feel younger and stronger, people who wanted to stay at home and work, or people who wanted to have their own business or have a significant measure of success.
Is it putting a passion for excellence into everything you do?
We wanted people, ourselves included, to feel good about what they spent their day doing. We wanted them to go to bed at night feeling like they accomplished that by helping other people.
Nu Skin effectively combines financial strength, growth potential, ability to innovate, and most important, management's ability to create, sustain, and execute a clear vision and focused strategic plan, making it a leader among its peers in both the direct selling and branded consumer products industries.
Science is really the only way that we're going to make breakthroughs, that we're going to have products that are safe, and products that really keep people coming back for more. So we have chemists, biochemists, pharmacologists, immunologists, nutritionists, sports physiologists, dietitians, all of these scientists that work together to really bring us the most up-to-date, the most scientifically valid ingredients and products that we can really bring to the market.
More than knowing there are scores of scientists developing these products, more than the hundreds of clinical studies done at major scientific institutions worldwide. What I like most about these products is the fact that they work for me and for my family. I can see it, I can feel it, and most importantly, I can prove it. That breeds tremendous confidence.
Is it maintaining a vision clearly focused on providing life-changing opportunities? A vision inspired by boldness and driven by integrity.
The integrity of the corporate leaders is set in stone. They'll continue to honor their commitments to quality and to the distributor force. That's the foundation the company has been built on and the pillar that will support them going forward.
As one of the world's largest publicly traded direct selling companies, Nu Skin is required to file financial statements with the Securities and Exchange Commission on a quarterly basis. These financial statements provide investors, analysts, and the SEC itself with detailed insights into the company's operating and financial health. Nu Skin is in excellent financial health with a balance sheet that is very strong.
It's definitely a professional level recruit that Nu Skin tends to attract. People who are truly committed to building a much more stable business. And I think it really distinguishes itself in the industry in that respect.
So far, that's who we seem to attract, is bright, shiny, really upscale people who like helping others.
I've never seen a management team so excited to pay me and the rest of the distributors top dollar like this one does. I mean, that's even one of their goals.
Or is it a culture that fosters a belief that miraculous things can happen when people put their minds and hearts and energy into each aspect of the organization?
A culture of people who do well while doing good for humanity, while helping other people. And it's a nice thing that makes it a very inviting thing for other people.
With my Nu Skin business, I actually help those around me to be successful. And by doing that, I become more successful myself and can take time for those special family moments. I couldn't be happier with my life.
Perhaps the answer to defining meaningful endeavors can be found in the people and places that are forever touched by those who are determined to make a difference.
Nu Skin has made a major difference in the lives of EB families, primarily because in their support of Stanford research, they've provided hope.
Nu Skin has been very helpful to our efforts in several ways. The children that we work with have one of the most severe diseases we take care of in children, epidermolysis bullosa. Even though the number of patients with this disease is small, the severity and the suffering that these children have cries out for help.
There's no opportunity for a big pharmaceutical company to address that need and make profit. There's nobody that's going to come and embrace that. So it's been nice to pick up an orphan problem and try to make it go away.
This is Nu Skin Enterprises, a company that has become more than a worldwide billion-dollar organization with its divisions Nu Skin, Pharmanex, and Big Planet. It is making a lasting impression around the globe with its commitment to helping people live better longer through exceptional, scientifically substantiated products. It maintains a culture which embraces the magical power of believing great things are possible, and then going to work to make a difference in the world.
Support by Nu Skin injected great energy into our education and improved our school conditions to a great extent.
With the help of Nu Skin, the face of the school has completely changed. They provided us with new beds, a durable new playground, as well as a usable new laundry facility.
There's no question in my mind that Nu Skin is genuinely interested in improving the health care of children with epidermolysis bullosa and the health care of individuals throughout the world.
I love Nu Skin, and I will always be grateful for the good they have done for EB families, for taking EB children into their hearts.
You probably don't realize what an amazing home you found here, that it's worth persevering, that it's worth the hard work that's necessary to be successful, to become part of this family that's out making the world a better place. You'll be surprised how good you feel about yourself and your life down the road as you succeed at this. So persevere.
We simply must open our minds and our hearts and allow ourselves to soar with the possibilities, because we can make a difference every day.